I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel it.
So Tyler, tell me how you're
Wait, let's watch it. Let's watch it.
Here we go. Watch this. This is gonna be. Oh, we gotta go.
It's crazy. 139. Oh, I think we definitely won. We're about to hit 700.
Okay, I'm so excited. Your senior year.
Yeah,
I love this.
senior
Gonna
year.
happen.
We're
All right,
locking
let's
in.
go. Let's go.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel it. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel tonight's the night.
Thomas, how do you feel about bowling tonight? How are your skills? How do you feel about
Okay, you want to take a video?
All right, let's see it. Let's give a chow. How do you feel about your bowling skills?
Obviously, the best skill.
All right, show me what you have.
And then we'll do it again. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, and do it, and do it. Let's live it up and do it, and do it, and do it, do it, do it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Cause I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a.
Tristan, how do you feel about this?
Oh, amazing.
All right, let's do it.
Are we ready?
I'm ready. Showing skills.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel tonight's the night. Hey, let's live it up. Let's live it up. I got my money. Hey.
Sebastian, how do you feel about your bowling skills?
I feel like I'm not very bad,
Okay,
but I'm not very
All
good.
right, show us what you have.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
I've been living for the weekend, but no, not anymore. 'Cause here comes that
We're so excited about your track skills, your running skills. Can you show us your bowling skills? Oh, my bowling? Let's do it. Let's do it. Nice.
So I guess I'll have to wait and see. But I'm just gonna let something brand new happen to me. And it's alright.
Mac, how do you feel about your bowling skills?
Amazing. We're winning. We're winning the whole thing.
You guys got this. You'll be number one.
Yeah,
Easily, I have found the ball.
Okay, you go.
I found my ball and now we're gonna win.
Now Friday's cool, but there's something about Saturday night. You can't say what you won't do.
Could you tell us how you feel about your bowling?
I'm feeling really good tonight.
All right, good. And I want to tell you, I especially like your costume.
Thank you.
All right, let's see how you and the dino do.
And it's alright, alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Bright lights everywhere.
Hello, North guys.
How's your game going tonight? How's it going?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. So fun.
How's your bowling?
What?
How's your bowling?
10 out of 10. Everything's so fun. Thank you so much. We're gonna win easily. Yes, ma'am.
This way. And it's alright, alright, it's
Eagle Scout project. I hope things went well for you.
They did.
How did it go?
They went very well. I'm pretty sure if I go, I don't know, I have to go home and count, but more than anything, I'm just excited that everyone's having a good time.
Oliver, thank you for everything. It's a special night. Thank you. Thank you.
Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. In my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground.
So, Caesar, Alejandro, Nate, you guys are like some of the best athletes in our entire school. But tonight we're bowling. How do you feel about your bowling skills?
I feel that they are natural with the steel, but I'm not the best. Leighton Storm, my partner and good friend, he has good skills and he been practicing when he was young. But yeah, we are having fun and we've been a good team.
Very nice, very nice. Alejandro, we have another question for you. Last year at volleyball, your team was incredible. Will you guys be participating in the volleyball tournament again this year?
Yes, we are like very looking forward to it. We think that this year we might not have the full Spanish team, but we're going to have really, really good companions with us, and we're going to win again.
All right, thank you guys so much. Enjoy bowling. Nate, before we leave, any words your senior year about your last bowling night? How do you feel about this? This is a sentimental night.
It was a great night. I had fun with my friends. You know, we've always bowling good, as you could tell. And tonight's just a good night.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tell y'all a little something. Quick little story.
Okay, we're ready. Tell us.
I used to play big tank and bowling all the time. He used to beat me. I had a villain arc, and now I bowl like this. Watch
all right, let's see it. Show us what you have. And so the story goes.
So the story goes is your best always ain't your best.
Down and I get back up. I'm riding high, never sleeping, living for the weekend. Down when the going gets tough. I'm rising up from the deep end, living for the weekend. Living for the weekend. Living for the weekend. I turn up when I'm feeling low. I'm not letting it go. I'm not letting it go. Turn up when I'm losing my glow. I'm not letting it go. I'm not letting it go. I get knocked down and I get back up. I'm riding high, never sleeping, living for the weekend.
No, tell me that one more. Tony.
Antonio, I just don't understand. You have a broken finger. How are you doing?
Oh my. Nothing can stop me out here.
Nothing can stop you. This is not an issue.
He scores 30 on the court. He scores 30 on the court. Scores X's on the alley.
All right, Antonio, can you show me the skills? All right, let's see this.
Get this spare right now.
So what you're trying to say is he's got to pick up this spare.
What I'm trying to say is #1 basketball player in the state,
right.
but also #1 bowler.
All right, let's go, Mac. Let's see
all about
what
the
you
flick.
have. All right, let's do it.
It's all about the wrist. It is. And that right there is game, guys. And we'll catch you on next episode because this guy's trash.